If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can create your own brush tips in Photoshop from any pixel-based selection you can make. Your selected brush tip shape in Photoshop determines the appearance of the brush strokes you apply. You can create a custom brush tip by sampling pixels in an image you have painted, drawn, or even photographed. To create a brush tip from a pixel selection in Photoshop, first use one of the selection tools in the Tools panel to select the pixels to use as the basis for the new brush tip. To be most effective, the shape you select should be on a white background. To create a brush tip with soft edges, you can select pixels with a gray value. Also, note that colored pixels within a selection appear as gray values within the brush tip. After selecting the pixels to use as your brush tip shape, select Edit, define Brush Preset from the menu bar. In the Brush Name dialog box that appears, type a name for the new brush tip. Then click the OK button to add the new brush tip to your list of preset brushes you can select from either the Brush Preset Picker panel or the Brushes panel. While you cannot easily change the defined size of the brush tip when you create a new brush tip from a selection in Photoshop, you can later select the newly created brush tip and then change its brush tip size, spacing, and other brush tip settings to then save it as a new brush preset in Photoshop with the desired brush settings, tool settings, and colors you prefer, as discussed in the previous lesson. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.